Hello students, இன்னைக்கு நாம 11th botanyலேருந்து plant physiology அந்த சாப்டரில் அதை பற்றி நாம படிக்க போகிறோம். What do you mean by physiology? That is the functional organization of the plants is called physiology. இதில் நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, what do you mean by photosynthesis? Photo means light. Synthesis, it means production of or the manufacture of food by the plants using light is called photosynthesis. Simply we mean by that. The correct definition is photosynthesis is referred as photochemical oxidation and reduction reactions carried out with the help of light, converting solar energy into chemical energy. What do you mean by oxidation and reduction? We shall see it later. It is the most important process, that is anabolic process carried out in plants. Plants are, as you all know, plants are the primary consumers. They are the only organism producing food of their own. Hence they are called autotrophs. Apart from plants, some photosynthetic bacteria, they too use simple raw materials like carbon dioxide, water, and with the help of light energy they synthesize carbohydrates and evolve oxygen. The overall chemical equation can be written as for photosynthesis. The overall chemical equation for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of light and chlorophyll gives C6H12O6. What is the C6H12O6? It is glucose, that is carbohydrates, and 6 molecules of water is evolved plus 6 molecules of oxygen is evolved. This equation is given by Rubin and Kamen in the year 1941. They demonstrated formerly the equation, overall chemical equation for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 6 molecules of water in the presence of light and chlorophyll gives carbohydrates, that is glucose C6H12O6 plus 6 molecules of oxygen is evolved, as you all know. After that, Rubin and Kamen in the year 1941 demonstrated that 6 molecules of water are insufficient for the evolution of 6 molecules of oxygen and modified the equation like this. 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of light and chlorophyll gives glucose, C6H12O6 carbohydrate, that is glucose, plus 6H2O, 6 molecules of water, and 6 oxygen molecules are evolved. Photosynthesis is as I have told earlier, it is a photochemical oxidation and reduction reaction. That is, it is a collection of oxidation and reduction reactions, redox reaction. What do you mean by oxidation? Water is oxidized. Oxidation means loss of electrons. Reduction means gain of electrons. Oxidation, here in this photosynthesis, what oxidation reaction is taking place means water is oxidized into oxygen, and reduction, carbon dioxide is reduced into carbohydrates. That is reduction, gain of electrons. In some bacteria, oxygen is not evolved and they are called non-oxygenic or anaerobic photosynthesis. In some bacteria, since oxygen is not evolved, this reaction is called non-oxygenic or anaerobic. Aerobic means in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic means in the absence of oxygen. That is the meaning here. Example for this type of photosynthesis is green sulfur, purple sulfur, and green filamentous bacteria.